Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Vue.js video tutorial we will understand our code flow. We will understand that how we can register and deregister components, how we can add some style, how we can remove styles, and we will check out our changes on here you can see that on our output screen. And one more, which is a very important feature, we will add two plugins for our project, which is for Vue file highlighter and second one for view formatter. Right here you can see that our main.js file, which is a js file, is well highlighted and in a well readable form. But whenever you will open app.js or app.view or hello world.view, because they have a .view extension, they are not highlighted because our code editor cannot understand .view extension. For that we need plugins, and even they cannot make it in a formatter, right? So that's why we need two plugins, one for highlighter, second one for formatter. And these are the major points. We will understand our code, we will understand our components, how we can register and deregister, how we can remove the code and add the code also. And we will check out our changes on the output screen. Before starting with this video, I want to share information with you. If you are looking to purchase domain name or hosting, then you can purchase it with the Domain Raiser. The plans is just starting with the 59 rupees per month, and they have lots of other features, like they will provide you 20 times faster hosting, e-commerce tools like Magento, WordPress, and they will provide you website backup, unlimited space and bandwidth. They will provide you easy to access for cPanel. cPanel will help you to control your website, adding more pages that will basically completely control your website, right? So, and lots of other features also. You can just go to the website and check out there, right? So let's get back to our video. So first of all, let's add the plugins so that we can highlight these syntax. So just search here Vue. Whenever you will search Vue, then you will find a syntax highlight for Vue.js. Just install it and just go back to our hello world.vue file. Now you can see that your code is completely highlight as main.js. Great. Again, just find here Vue format, right? And you can install this format, and now you can format your code also. So just come back to the code, app.vue, and here you can see that Vue format, right? So let's say your code is not formatted like this, and you can say this, right? So just go to the with the Control Alt P or click right click and just select this menu, and now your code will be formatted, and it will save your time and it will just make you a professional developer also. All right, so now let's talk about our entry file. Main.js is our entry file. Here you will find only 3 lines of code. In a first line, we are actually importing our create application from Vue package, right? Second one, we are importing our app.vue file, and in third point we are mounting our Vue.js code with our application. That means our with the HTML, right? How we are mounting? We are creating mounting our application, which is importing from app.vue with app id. So where this id is actually placed, just go to the public folder and open index.html. Here you can see that you have a div with the id app, right? So your application, your Vue.js is bind with this HTML page with through this div id, right? Your Vue code will not gonna work outside this div, and if you will write something inside your div, Vue.js will remove this code, right? So this is our entry file. Here you can see that, and our first component is app.vue. In every component you will find 3 things. One is template, second one is your script. In template we basically write our HTML, and this is our script, so you can say that this is our JavaScript code, and last one is style. Here we will write our style, right? So if you want to remove this style, then you can remove here. So we will check the output here. So now this page is looking more beautiful, but whenever you will remove this code, you will find that this code is shifted on the left side because the code is just written for the center to our component. That's fine. So Now you will find in app.js our one component is imported, which is hello world. Whenever you will use any component, you have to write the code in a three place. One, first of all, you have to import this component, then you have to register this component, and after that at the last you have to apply this component like this, right? So if I am just going to remove this code from here like this, then you will find that there is an error, right? You can see that the hello world component is registered but not in used. So if you just remove it from here, then you will find another error, and you will find that hello world is defined but never used. So we can remove it from here also like this, and now you have only one logo here, right, which is coming from here, and we can remove this one also if you want. And now we have nothing to write, so you can write here some h1 tag or something, whatever you want, like this, like hello, like this, right? And this is working fine. So let's just come back here and use this code, right? So now, so we don't have this code like installed CLI plugins and this text. So where this text is coming from? This is coming from hello world component. So you guys might be confused that why we are writing like code like this. So some code we are putting in app.view, some code we are putting in a hello world.view files. Why we are just doing this? Because whenever you are making a big application, then you cannot write all of your code in a single file. So we have to divide this code in a separate files. Like we can make a separate component for header, separate component for footers and search bar and all, right? So in the upcoming videos we will learn about more about component. We will create one component and we will just reuse them and all, right? I will show you. So this code is also, I can see that extra, so we can remove it for a moment. Here you can see that, and I just want to remove this style also, because we are not learning style in this video. I want to show you the minimum code here, right? Now you can see that we have a image and we have some text, and this text is just passing from app.view to here. Here you can see that this h1 tag is placed, and this text in a message property is passing from hello world. So they just want to show, because this is the by default code, they just want to show that you can pass data from one component to second component. Like they just add a property with the message and pass some data like view your code from here to here, right? So this is another feature they want to show you at a first impression. So all right, so I hope you just got that code. First of all, main.js file is actually running, and this file bind our HTML page with the Vue.js. After that, app.view file is our first component, and here we are included our hello world component. And for every component we need to do three things. First, we have to import it, register it, and use it, right? That's all for this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. In the next video I will show you how you can create a new component like hello world.view, right? Bye bye, take care.